In this video, we'll understand what a sitemap is and why it's important for your website to have a sitemap. So with the very word sitemap, you can understand that it's a website map that is being referred to. In layman's terms, we can understand it as when a person goes to a certain place, he needs to have a map with him so that he can navigate and explore that place. So that same concept applies to a website as well. So a sitemap is a list of all your website URLs. It acts as a roadmap to tell search engines what and where content is available. So when you have a website, when crawlers come to your website, the sitemaps tells them that so and so pages, the website has so many pages and how it can navigate. So a sitemap also contains all the data of your website. A website is usually visited by crawlers and users both. Earlier we understood how search engines work. They first crawl the website, then index it, and then they finally rank it. So we have to ensure that crawlers go through our website properly and therefore provide a good navigational structure of our website. For users also, we need to provide a good navigational structure because otherwise they will get confused and simply leave the site without exploring what the website is and going to the inside pages. So we need to create two sitemaps for any website. One is for crawler and one is for user. Now you might be wondering by now that will my website get ranked if I do not submit a sitemap? So the answer is yes, your website will still get crawled and still get ranked if you don't create a website and submit a sitemap, and it will also show in search. But we have to submit a sitemap so that crawling our website becomes better and seamless, right? So earlier, when SEO was not there and the technology was not so advanced, website was still in place and they still used to get ranked. But now it's important to submit a sitemap because it makes crawling easier. It tells the Google bot or Yahoo bot or basically search engine bots how to navigate into the site and search and find all your pages and then index them. So let's understand with the help of this diagram what a sitemap is. So if you see this picture, this has a poor navigational structure. So let's assume that a crawler or user comes to this website. He comes to the home page first and then he goes to page 3. Let's assume. And after page 3, he doesn't know where to go because it's not properly structured. So he will exit the website, or maybe he will go back to the home page, go to another page, page 2, and then head to another page 4. And then here again, he has to exit the page, right? Because it is not linked to any other page from here. So this is an example of a poor sitemap wherein the pages are not linked properly, right? So let's take a look at this sitemap, for example. Now this is a very clear navigational structure. So it is very clear, very organized, and it goes from page to page. So the crawler or the user can go from home page to page 1 or 2 or 3 and then so on continuously. So it makes the job of both the user and the crawler easier. The user gets to spend more time on your website, which is actually good because the more time is spent on your website, the better it is and the higher the chances of your site getting ranked high. From a user's perspective also it's better because from the crawler's perspective also it's better because then the crawler can crawl all of your pages and then index it. So basically there are two types of sitemaps like I discussed earlier. One is XML sitemap. The second one is HTML sitemap. So the XML sitemap is for crawlers. You would create or generate an XML sitemap and then submit it on Google Search Console and other search engines, which I will show you in future videos. HTML sitemap is for users. Especially this is good for large websites like e-commerce websites wherein users have to navigate to different pages. So when you add a HTML sitemap, it will take the user to a certain page wherein it will show all the different pages that are on that particular website. We'll see this in the coming videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you.